Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about a product, um, and the product I guess most of you came across it, and it's a product for cleaning any kind of screen, whether it being a laptop, a phone, or a TV, any kind of a screen. And let me show you how it looks like. Just a minute. This is the product I was talking about. It's universal foam cleaning agent. This product is really superb, really superb. I was using it for quite a long time now, and it's really good according to my experience about this product. It's okay. And as you can see, this product it has something like a brush. This one, the white one up here. It's this one is not for the screen. Basically, it's for the outer part, downer part, or the edges. Like when there are some sticky things, dirty things, you have to scratch using it, and it's really good. It works perfectly. Yeah, and I have my friend. She asked me about this product, and I told her it's really good. Let her try it because I was having it. Then I have to test it for her also using her laptop, and it was really good. She was so grateful about the product, and it really works well. And for most of you who wanted like to check it out, you can order from Jumia online, Gigi. There are a lot of shops online. You can order for them and you check it out, and later you come and thank me. Yeah, thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Yeah, ciao.